which caused very severe pain. So late in the evening, a message came that the governor has very severe pain in his eye, and you should go and see him. So I went there. When I was when I reached there, he was talking to a political agent of one of the outer districts, where there was some land order problem, and the political agent came from South Pakistan. So he narrated that there is such a problem, and he said, I want peace tomorrow morning. So in this scenario, I appeared. And I saw there was some extract in his cornea, rang up the leading hospital to bring some essential guidance so that they can do it. And meanwhile, we started discussing, and he said, how is my PG now? I was just shipped, I came in 1977 to the UK. I was an assistant professor in KTH, which is a very good department, excellent gadgets, excellent technology, excellent infrastructure. And from there I was transferred to Living, and there was nothing. It was just tablets. There was no equipment, there was no human resource. So he said, how is my PGMI? I said, which PGMI? He said, my PGMI that I've just created. I said, well, I'm sorry you will be very upset, but it is worse than the Brazil at water hospital. It is nothing. It will also destroy my career. And he said, no bloody fool has told me this. There was some that kind of language. He said, no bloody fool has told me. I said, whether any bloody fool has told you this or not, I'm telling you nothing but a whole truth. Unless we inject billions into this institute, nothing will happen there. So he said, okay, to hell with PHUs. To hell with PHUs. Next year, all the budget is going to LRH. And by that time, the gadgets said I moved the foreign body and left. But when I was doing, he said, call the team, see me tomorrow. So whatever he needs, I need. I spoke to the dean that the general that wants it. So he said, Khair hodega na. I said, Khair de hoga, what is it? Makhir paise de. No more to some of the paise money with the car. When you can just put like a paise like it to much, like a couple of billions really. So he was the one who in fact injected all this amount of money in your life. And now, fortunately, it's one of the world's best music. So I'm going to just speak to you with a number of messages for the Honorable Chief Guest. Health challenges in Pakistan. Helen Keller once said, the only one thing worse than being blind is having sight, but no vision. Having sight, but no vision. Basarat have a single vision. Sight is a physical phenomenon, but vision is metaphorical. So let's briefly look around and see where we stand in Pakistan. Pakistan is facing tremendous health challenges. We have a rising population, aging population, poverty, illiteracy, extremism, political instability, and regional conflicts. We also, now look at this chart. This is the 1951, and you know what was the population of both East and West Pakistan? 34 million.